presentation. My name is Seung-Jong Song and I am a student of Information and Communication Engineering Department. As a first part of my presentation, I would like to tell you what kind of English learner I am through the result of my SILL test. I got 5 scores at part A, B, C, and D. This part are associated with effective English learning ability. But I got low scores at part E and F, which are closely related to the ability of practical English use. These results indicate that my weakness points are in English conversation, not in academic study. Actually, I am very skilled at English writing and reading, but I have many troubles in English speaking and listening. But fluent English conversation skills is very important for me. So I got several plans for this course. First, I will study 10 or 20 expressions every day, and I will try to talk with my foreigner coworkers as many as possible. And I will practice English presentation, and to check the progress, I will check the audience's opinion on my presentation. And if there are some problems, then I will try to fix it. Nowadays, the English speaking and listening ability becomes more and more important. So I will do my best to achieve the goal and to become more fluent English speaker. Thank you for listening.